To remove the Ducati XDiavel front wheel, you will need an impact wrench or a breaker bar. Next, you will need a wheel removal tool. This can take off the nut from the front and the rear wheels. A dead blow hammer works best, but a block of wood and hammer or a rubber mallet would achieve the same goal. Any dowel with a protective or soft end will work to drive out the center shaft. This happens to be a jack handle. A torque wrench to tighten to factory specs. 1/2-inch drive and 3/8-inch drive ratchets. A 1/2-inch drive socket extension to clear the wheel jacks when removing the nut with the impact wrench. A 5/16 or 8mm hex for removing the caliper. 3/16 hex or 5mm hex for loosening bottom screws. I like to use the rear paddock stand to support the motorcycle and keep it upright. I don't like the motorcycle being only supported by the front stand, and you don't need a second person to support the bike getting on the front stand. Next, roll the front stand and adjust the sliding support brackets on the front stand to match the bike spacing. Remember, allow clearance to get the rotors through when removing the front wheel. Remove the calipers using an 8mm hex or 5/16. It is best to tape the wheel with painter's tape or masking tape so you don't scratch it when you remove the caliper. Use your removal tool, extension, and your impact wrench to get the nut off. Remember to get your impact wrench going the right way so you don't over tighten the nut. This has a lot of power. Use a 5mm hex head to loosen the bolts to remove the shaft. I like to use the long ball hex heads. Now loosen the 2 bolts on the right side. You don't need to take them out. Loosen the 2 bolts on the left side. No need to remove them. Tape the wheel for protection and remove the caliper on the other side as well. Tap the shaft, then use a dowel to drive the shaft to the other side. Slide it out. There will be a spacer fall out, and save that for installation. Just slide the wheel towards you. See our next video for installation of the front wheel.